hwile. That is not a proper way to say someone is deceased. So the proper way to say someone is deceased in Sepedi language, you are going to say o hlokofetse. O hlokofetse, not o hwile. So when you say hwile, you are referring to animals. The word hwile refers to dead animals and hlokofala refers to dead people. So you are going to say my dog is dead. Ntja yaka e hwile. My dog is dead. Ntja yaka e hwile. My grandma is dead. Koko waka o hlokofetse. My grandma is dead. Koko waka o hlokofetse. So that is a proper way to address a deceased person. So I hope that is helpful. And if you have any words that you'd like to know their meanings, Sepedi, don't hesitate to drop them on the comment section.